Okay, so how does Alamec's theory work? The Alamec's theory works in two ways. The first one is it describes leadership, meaning that it recognizes the differences between the in-groups and the out-groups. The members can fall within these groups based upon their personalities, the way they work with the leader, the way they work with others, how well they take on responsibilities and tasks, also any rewards or recognition they have received in the past. Uh, the second one is it prescribes leadership. A prescribed leader is where someone is appointed by a person of higher authority. A prescribed leader may become a leader from their previous achievements or just based upon their relationship with the higher authority figure. Northouse explains that leadership making is a prescriptive approach to leadership, emphasizing that leaders should develop high-quality exchanges with all of their followers rather than just a few. This is true because, well, it's fair, but in reality, it does not always happen that way, and it makes the outgroup members not want to work hard or dislike their leader just because they are not given the opportunities like an in-group member would receive. The three steps is role-taking, role-making, and routinize. Role-taking is when the manager and the employee meet and the manager starts to see their strengths and weaknesses based upon their first impression and their capabilities. The second one is role-making. This allows the member to work with with other team members, and this is where the leader sees how they interact with each other, how well does that person interact with the leader, and the group member shows effective communication. Does that member complete their task, or does that leader go beyond what they should do? The third one is routinize, which is the last phase of the Almec's step, which means that members are already classified in either the in-group or the out-group. The in-group members are going to be respectful and loyal and willing to do more for their leader and the organization. On the other hand, the out-group member does not want any part of it. Probably the out-group member shows no effort, probably dislikes their leader or their employees just because the out-group member doesn't receive the same opportunities or respect or be recognized for their hard work. And sometimes people's work goes unnoticed, and it's not fair. So those are the three steps on the how the Alamec's theory works.